Hello and welcome to the unboxing, or should I say the unpacking of the Koko Ladies portable UV sterilizer box. This is how the sterilizer box came to us in this particular packet. I'm going to remove this packet now, and there you go. This is what the sterilizing box looks like. It's called a coating machine. Inside you will see there's this space over here. This is where you put the device in to get it sterilized with ultraviolet light. There is also an instruction manual here. I'm going to read out this instruction manual so that you get a better idea of what we're talking about. Okay, multifunction nano coating machine instruction manual. Product features: with big ultraviolet lamp from two sides, 360-degree sterilization, with aroma function, variety perfumes optional, with big capacity suitable for most 6-inch mobile phone, pad, watch and jewelry, with smart dimension and 5-volt low voltage, portable and safe. So this is basically a portable ultraviolet nano coating machine. So the idea is that you put the phone inside like this, close it, and you click on either of these buttons to to coat it with ultraviolet rays, making it basically disinfecting it in process, so that in this way there will be no germs or any impurities left on it. Furthermore, it comes with this particular micro USB charging cable. This is what you use to charge this particular device. This is it. This is what you find inside the pack containing the Koko Ladies ultraviolet portable sterilizer box. Thank you for watching.